And as you can see, Mr. Headset Nova is working on her brand new tune for our thank you show as we speak. And she definitely won't get up and leave before it's finished.
Nova Jones. Ticktastic is very excited to see you perform. Yes, I've passed it on, everyone. Yes, Vaisal, I've just told her. Margaret, she's even more Nova-ish when you meet her. Sorry, you know what it's like when you're in constant contact with an entire planet. Of course it is not a wig, Jitten.
You're doing great, Nova. Now, focus. You can finish what you're doing if you just stay strong.
Must stay sat down.
Where's the sad clown? Actually, that reminds me. I need to go find the captain. 2 seconds.
It says here the Zeta Cheetah runs so fast, no other oddball animal wants to play tag with it.
You're stuffing your head so full of oddball animal facts there'll be no room left for anything else.
Wait, what's that? Captain, look. Is that an oddball animal? Here, boy. I'll get to name it myself.
It's a sock. And it's got a name already. It's Sid. It's your sock. You aren't just gonna discover some new creature on the Jefferson.
If I look hard enough, there's gotta be some undiscovered oddball animal around here somewhere.
As if there's some oddball animal just growling around the ship.
Captain, there you are. Job for you. The eco-heating in my room is broken.
Ah, that'll be why you're all wrapped up like that. It must be very cold in there, yeah?
No, there's no gold in there. But it is freezing. I'd ask the crew to fix it, but they don't work under low temperatures.
No, they hibernate in the winter.
The crew are in that book.
Oh, we're all in it. Humans, aliens, singers, captains. We're all animals. Oh, see? Captains, a supremely sleepy species who can never have enough cups of tea.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's not. Oh.
Oh?
Well, best be off. Transport to organise.
Let me show you out this headset. Well done, Nova. It'll be the best thank you song ever.
Yes, yes. The thank you song. What would have been wrong with the thank you card and a cake?
Oh,
Cake.
shall we finish? She may have only written 7 notes, but these 7 notes could be the catchiest tune I've ever heard. Very catchy.
It is cold in McLaren's room. Computer, what's wrong with the heating?
Eco-heating is broken.
Great. Thanks for that, computer. Hey, no hibernating in here. Only I get to nap on the job. Catchy little ditty, that, huh?
This is too catchy. I can't stop humming it.
Can't concentrate on a thing with this catchy tune in my head.
Chef Din Din, one of your finest, moistest, and most delicious and velvety Nova cakes, please.
I can't wait to try that amazing. Ingredients.
Hello, oddball animals? Any
weird, never before discovered creatures anywhere? Please?
Oh, you're right, Captain. I've searched every nook and cranny of the ship, and there's no new animals to find. Captain?
Have you not fixed the eco heating? My room's colder than ever!
I started, but it's impossible to finish anything with this catchy tune going round me head.
McLaren! Chef Dindins won't finish making my cake! Make her finish making my cake! I want cake! All it does is harm my unfinished tune.
Unfinished? Nova?
Actually, everyone's humming that tune. It's really catchy. See? No, I'm doing it too.
Wow! Everyone. Call a kid songwriter.
McLaren, be warned. There's something very dangerous aboard the Jefferson. It's a earworm.
Not those catchy little tunes that burrow into your head and won't. Go away.
Earworms sound oddball.
Earworms aren't real creatures, Sid. It's just a saying.
There isn't much time left. Nova has written the catchiest tune ever. Once it burrows deep enough into our heads, we won't be able to do anything but hum the tune forever.
Hey, how come I'm not affected?
Years of performing catchy tunes must have made you immune. And I'm not affected because as long as I have these, I can't hear anything. I'm safe.
Oh, I see. That's handy.
Yes, the sea is sandy. Now come on.
Why are we going so fast? McLaren, it's just a silly little tune.
We can't let the earworm off the Jefferson. If they heard it, the Tellus aliens would be humming your tune down the phone to everyone.
But then no one could finish what they're doing, so no one could sell my tickets. And no tickets means no audience.
Go on, nearly there.
Nobody will come to my concert! McLaren, walk faster!
We must leave Ticketastic immediately. Just being here is too risky. Computer, blast off now!
Initiating launch. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.
So, I think the computer's been earwormed. And even worse, these emergency lights, so do not match my outfit. Hey, crew, fix these lights. Turn off this alarm. What's that smoke? Oh, and cake. Bring me some cake. No, come back, this way.
They can't complete tasks if they're all earwormed.
I hate when people leave before they've finished doing stuff.
Annoying, isn't it, Nova?